Hello, this is Shep and Fernando here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. Just in time for our snowy season, we have a one-owner 2010 Chevrolet Suburban. This has the 5.3 V8. The odometer reads just a tick under 71,500 miles. And yeah, one owner, no accident history. There is a little bit of damage here and there. This has been a second car for a second home, and so there's a few little dings here and there, which we'll show when we get to. The thing that I like about this rig is that if you're going to buy a 2010, you might as well get the top trim level, because this LTZ, as Fernando and I were going through it, it really just has all of your standard features of a 2020 because it was the top trim level. So your reverse sensing, your backup camera, navigation, you name it, it's on there. We'll go through that as we get to the interior. And Fern, did we find a light? We never found a light?
It's charging over there.
Okay, so we'll grab
We'll
that.
pick it up when we get inside.
It's a black interior, it's getting late in the day. So just taking a look, no accident history. I do see a couple small kind of depressions on the hood. Super hard to see, but if you're coming in from out of town, it's nice to point those out. If we can get our PDR, paintless dent removal, dent master to come up here, I'll get those removed, but be aware of that. There's nothing really heavy on this as far as damage. We're used to doing classics and pointing out everything, but it's good to know what is there. But just went through the service bay. I know we had to do a little bit of brake line work. We did the oil change, full detail. It's really got a clean bill of health. Nothing we're too worried about. I do see this rear bumper. Got a little punch in right here, and there's actually a rip on the bumper right here. So I can always do a price reduction if you want this to be your baby. It's on consignment, so I can't do that work now, but we can always do a price reduction. So if you want to get a new bumper put on, or you can work with my body guy and have that repaired. Kind of your choice. Just want to be open and fair about that. It is an auto lift gate on the rear. We'll get into that. One thing that should probably been mentioned earlier on, this does have the, it is a 7-passenger vehicle, so it's a second row bench versus the buckets. So it's more of a people hauler. Fern, why don't you show them the back and I'll grab that light. So you do have the camera, and then it is just the auto load there. This is totally dead. Oh, we got juice.
We got a little bit.
Yeah, so 3 rows. We got it in the upright position right now, so more in the cargo mode. Those just fold right down, and you've got extra seating there. But the carpet's clean. The headliner's good. It's not like they've shoved bikes and skis in there to the point where everything's ripped up. It's nice and clean. What I like about this car too, the captain's chairs up front are dual powered, which isn't a surprise on the LTZ, but they are heated and cooled seats. Those are your leather seats. So dual powered, heated and cooled seats. I know Fern's showing you the front here, but the rear seats, your outboard occupant seats on that second row, are also heated, so you can style your kids out. Beautiful thing about a Suburban versus a Denali of this era is your 4-wheel drive system. So just like a Denali, you can just put it into all-wheel drive and just use that. But summertime, 2-wheel drive, going gets tough. You can switch it out of all-wheel drive into 4-high. And then if you need to really crunch through the snow the city puts in your driveway, you've got 4-low. Or for summertime, if you need to access trailheads, you're into the real deep stuff, you do have 4-low. So all those seats are in really nice condition, heated seats like we said. You do have a DVD I know nowadays everybody has a handheld device, but you do have the DVD if you ever do want to go that route. Full sunroof. The driver's seat also is memory set. Power sunroof. You've got the tow package. You've got the roof rails. You've got the crossbars. I mean, any more you're spending for a new one, you're spending, you know, $82,000 for a full-size SUV. So it's just over 71,000 miles. This one definitely has a lot of appeal, a lot of opportunity. Just another look at the interior. And the last thing that I want to point out is, furniture, jump up on that dash.
Yep.
You do have, I don't know what would have caused that, but you do have kind of a hole in the dash, and I think there's a crack on the other side, is that correct?
Yep.
So be aware of that. But all your lights, turn signals, brights, windows, door locks, there's no check engine lights on. All systems operational. So still super good value on a full-size SUV. Pull the boat in the summer, get the kids out in the winter, or just go to the grocery store. Find your favorite activity.
Oh, yes.
What is your favorite activity?
Working here.
I actually don't think you're brown. I think that's actually true. I like coming in here on the weekends.
Yes.
Going around, it's just quiet. You
oh, yes.
kind of have that pinch me feeling because of all that beauty.
Oh, yes. We have a couple.
So clean engine bay, like I say, it's been through our service department. Clean bill of health, fresh oil, fresh detail. We'll just turn it on so you can listen to the engine. So no weird ticks, no weird sounds, just strong running, smooth running. 2010 Suburban LTZ 71.5 four-wheel drive, one owner. I'm Shep at Sun Valley Auto Club. You can call me at 208-721-1973, or if you come in, just ask for Fern. He'll be here as well, Mr. Fernando.